What you doing? Did you just eat some lunch? And now you're talking. Mm-hmm. What do you think, Cameron? Huh? What you looking at? The wall? Not very interesting. I don't really see the fascination. Hi. Hi. Now what you looking at? Looking at the camera? Huh? Hi. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, thank you. That was very nice. You got some more things happening there? What else you got going on? You ready to go outside for a little bit? After you do your stretches there? Ooh, yeah. You're starting to find your hand, aren't you? Say, those things are connected to me. Okay, that's enough playing mommy. Bye. Bye.